How to improve the utilization rate of mashing equipment. Speed up the turnover of mashing equipment. Shorten the occupation time of each container, so as to increase the daily feeding frequency of mashing room. Work boiling pot takes the longest time in mashing equipment, equivalent to the sum of the time spent in the canister and the boiling time of the wort. Therefore, it is very important to control the technological. A wort temporary storage tank with preheating function is added in the mashing room. It can effectively shorten the time and improve the utilization rate. Shorten the wort filtration time. The occupation time of the filter tank is also relatively long. When it is difficult to filter, the filtration time can reach 4 or 5h, which seriously affects the turnover of mashing equipment. Measures to be taken to shorten the occupied time of gelatinization pot and saccharification pot. If the temperature of the auxiliary material is increased, and the high-temperature resistant bacterial amylase is used to replace the auxiliary material of malt liquefaction, the mash can be heated directly, which can significantly shorten the heating and holding time. A large amount of time for mash separation. Temperature rising and mash boiling can be saved by one-time boiling mashing, rapid mashing, or leaching mashing. The rest time and glycosylation time of protein can be shortened by appropriately reducing the amount of excipients, adding protease, glucanase, and glucoamylase, and adopting lower protein rest temperature, 45–48 degrees Celsius.